Hello, boys and girls. Dexter, here at the craft cupboard. Do you have any squirrels living in the trees around your neighborhood? This morning, while I was walking over here to the craft cupboard, I saw several squirrels racing around. A few were looking for food, and a few others were carrying food from one place to another. They were chattering as they ran. I asked one of the squirrels as he ran past whether they ever just simply walk, and he told me he was so busy he didn't have time to talk. So I stood and watched for a few minutes. There are lots of stories at the library about squirrels. Miss Sheila gave me these books to read, and I was able to pick up this kit to make my own squirrel craft at home, and you can too. At the library.
Here's the little friend that you will make when you pick up your squirrel kit at the library. Here's what you'll find inside your blue bag. Make sure to get all the pieces out. First of all, you'll find this piece, which has two sides, to make Mr. Squirrel's body. This will become Mr. Squirrel's tail. Here will be his feet. Tiny little teeth. And two arms, one for each side. Two googly eyes. One black pen, one pink pen, and one bottle of glue. A squirrel head and an acorn. Let's start by taking Mr. Squirrel's head, taking the pink marker, we'll color his ears, and then give him a big smile with the black marker. Let's next take his feet. Take your black marker and make two black marks there and make two black marks there. Next, take your arm and put some black marks right there to roll on the body. One here. Here's your acorn. I took my tail and kind of rolled it. Roll it like this. And that way it stays that way. He'll make a great friend for you, keeping you company on your desk as you do your homework.